Hey guys, welcome back. So, one of the perks of having a mildly successful YouTube channel is that sometimes companies will send you cool stuff for free in exchange for a video or two. This is such a video. And this is a Longer Ray 5 10-watt laser cutter. It's a machine that uses a high-powered laser to cut things. Seeing as this is a budget machine and I am a complete laser cutting newbie, this review is aimed at people like me, and by the end I want to find out how easy this machine is for someone brand new to this kind of stuff to use, and basically, if you buy this machine, how fast are you going to be able to get to laser cut? First thing I wanted to see was how hard it was to set this thing up. So I set a timer and got to work. And while you're watching my disembodied hands assemble this contraption, let me tell you about some of the specifications. The 10-watt light power module can cut solid wood boards up to 20 millimeters and acrylic up to 30 millimeters. The laser is super accurate with a 0.06 by 0.06 ultra-fine compression spot, which I have been told is 2 times thinner than an ordinary laser. It has a flame detector and buzzer alarm, as well as a fireproof acrylic cover for extra safety. I'll get to that a little bit more in a minute. It also has a 3.5-inch touchscreen for offline operation. It's totally upgradable if you want to add air assist accessories or a cutting bed or an enclosure into the mix. Basically, as big as you want to make this thing, as much of a laser cutting enthusiast as you want to become, this laser can grow with you. And as you can see, it took me about an hour to set this thing up. Compare that to a 3D printer, that takes about 8 hours. So this is really fast to actually set up, completely disassembled to fully assembled and ready to cut.
Go home. Yeah!
Now to test this thing out, I decided to tackle a mildly complex project. I wound up downloading it from a website called 3axis.co, not affiliated with me, but they had the best free laser cutting files. So I went with them, and for software, I used a free trial of Lightburn. They actually include free trials of a couple different kinds of software with the laser, as well as all sorts of safety gear. The Longer has all the hookups for your first time taking a crack at this thing. I decided to tackle a mildly complex project, something that would look pretty cool.
Buddy, you gotta get out of here, we're busy.
And for a material, since I am truly a beginner, I went with plain old cardboard. So I would have a bunch of free material to mess up on while I was learning, and my end product would still be respectably strong. You know what cardboard is, you live on planet Earth. As far as the learning itself, I'm pleased to say it took me about 2 days to get familiar enough with this laser cutter to feel comfortable using it. Definitely take advantage of Longer's educational resources. They have a ton of tutorials, and really the only reason it actually took me 2 days to become some kind of competent using this thing was because I took the typical route of going, I don't need a manual, I can figure it out on my own, and yeah, no, I needed the manual. So don't make the same mistakes as me and read the instructions. As far as the machine itself, the only real issue I had was with the fire sensor. I had to do all of my cutting outside since I didn't really have an enclosure or anything, and the sun kept setting it off.
Error, flame protection. So, it thinks that the sun is fire, which is, you know, not entirely wrong, but it is wrong about the device being on fire.
I wound up just taping over the sensor to get it to stop doing that, but not really ideal. So yeah, in my personal experience, if you pick one of these things up with no experience, you'll be laser cutting away in about 2 days, and as far as I can tell, it works really well. So if you're on the hunt for a laser engraver or laser cutter that could be best for you, and you want one that's easy to use, accurate, strong, quick, and cheap, go ahead, check out the Longer Ray 5 10-watt. It has everything you need and more. Links below. Thank you very much to Longer for sending this thing out and for helping make my shop and my channel that much cooler. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.